Alright, so here we go. This is your do-it-yourself Reef Aquarium chiller using Peltier. So what we got here is a CPU cooler, fan, and heat sink. Right on the other side of that right here is a Peltier device, your basic square white Peltier device. On top of that is another CPU heat sink, and this is a water cooled heat sink. And here is a 12 volt DC 6 amp power supply, 12 volt mini outdoor pump, and some fish tank tubing, and a stainless steel tube here. So what's happening is there's also a sensor here that goes into the water. This sensor is just a little relay switch, a built-in board. There'll be a link. So that turns the device on and off based on the water temperature of your aquarium and the water temperature that you want, and there's a pot on there where you can adjust it to the temperature you want it to come on at. So that turns the power supply on to the 12 volt water pump and the Peltier cooler. I have the fan, and the fan hooked straight in, so it's always on when it's plugged in. It's up to you. You can put that on the switch as well and have it start up. There's also a switch on the front here to turn it on and off. And that is about it. The water flows through the heat sink on the cold side of the Peltier cooler chip. So it chills this CPU cooler. That water is pumped through this stainless steel tube, which gets fairly cold, and it'll do about 10 degrees cooler for you. That's about what you're going to get. This whole thing cost me about 50 bucks to make. So I'll have a description and links to all the parts on the webpage. Happy innovating.